Hey everyone, here is given us 2x plus 1 by 3x equal to 6. So we have to find out the value of 9x square plus 1 by 4x square. So how we can do that? First of all, from this equation, we have to multiply both sides with 3 by 2. So here we can write 2x plus 1 by 3x multiply by 3 by 2 equal to 6 multiply by 3 by 2. Now, if we solve this, then we can get 3x plus 1 by 2x equal to 9, right? Now, we have to take square both sides. So here 3x plus 1 by 2x whole square equal to 9 square, right? So here if we see that expression, then we can say a plus b whole square. So here we can write 3x square plus 2 into 3x plus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2x whole square equal to 81. Now, if we simplify this, then we can get 9x square plus here this x and this x will be cancelled out, and this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out. So here only remain 3 plus that will be 1 by 4x square equal to 81, right? Now, here we can write 9x square plus 1 by 4x square equal to 81. That will be minus 3. So here the final answer will be 78, right?